Hello guys, welcome here. My name is Chance. I live in Dubai. So today we are going to be doing unboxing for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this right here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Go to the side. So I got this guys from an iPhone store in the mall. This here is the case cover and protective glass. This one just so beautiful. This here is so beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. Finally. So beautiful. Like guys, I just couldn't wait to unbox it. Protective cover for the screen. Oh my god. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wow. So beautiful. Super beautiful. So this here in the case, it comes with the cable. The cable, it doesn't have a charger. But I think I have so many chargers. This here is this one. I used to open the place where I would set my SIM. So I will do that later. So this is the charging cable. Charging cable. So this is all that comes inside the box. So guys, let's unbox the accessories. So this is the protective case it will come out. So let's switch on this mobile and see what it has to offer. Oh, I can't wait to use this. 24 hours now since I got this mobile. I couldn't wait to come unbox this. So right now guys, we're going to unbox this. For the screen, for this protective glass, for the screen, I don't know if I'll know how to fit this, but I will just try it. Because when I bought this, they wanted to do it for me, like to fit the glass of the screen, but I didn't want that because I didn't want the Doma unbox it for me. I had to make it in video form, so I couldn't allow it open for me, unbox for me. So right now, let's get started. So this here it looks so beautiful. Like I just can't wait to use it. I've been using Android for so long, so I wanted to switch brands. Though at some point, like some years back, I tried to take the iPhone 7. I didn't actually put it was like I couldn't deny it. I tried it. I later still went back to Android. And the mobile I've been using for 1 year now is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So the mobile is still cool. It's still so new, no scratches. But I just wanted to try. So this here it looks so beautiful. Like I just can't wait to use it. I've been using Android for so long, so I wanted to switch buy the iPhone, and I went in for this beautiful piece right here. Like I just can't wait to use this. It looks so beautiful, and I'm so anxious to unbox this. So guys, let's unbox. Let's do this. So this is this shield back. Because I went to ICI store in the mall. I actually admire the Pacific blue. So it has been on my mind that either I get the Pacific blue or I get the gold. But at the end, like the Grima was, they were both of them. I actually love these two colors so much, but I ended up falling for the gold. Like this gold seems to be everything to me. I really love the gold. Just from the views, I saw all of them in the mall. I saw the Pacific blue, the gold. I got it. Let's try to put. This is so good. Oh my god. Okay, this here is okay. Oh my god, like this font is so beautiful. This font is, it looks so good, so presentable. Very oh my god, I just can't wait to start using it. I just can't wait to insert my SIM and start using this. So I'm going to insert my SIM letter because my SIM is still in the Samsung Galaxy S10 and I'm using it to make this video. So later I will insert it. So let's unbox the glass, the protective glass. So I got this in the 256 gigabyte because my Samsung S, the Galaxy S10 was actually 128 in the mobile upgrade because I have so many videos and pictures in my old phone which I have to transfer to this new phone. So I needed something bigger. Okay guys, this here the glass, I'm already unboxing it. Protective glass. This is what is inside. It's a dust absorber. This is the cleaning kit. And this here is the glass. God. So guys, let's fit this glass together. Like I've never done this, but I just have to try. To try to fit this. Somali. Okay. Preferred languages: English and Arabic. Uh, dictation English. Okay, continue. Welcome to Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to set the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi. You set my Wi-Fi password now. Okay. So guys, I've been so anxious to do this unboxing. Like, it's 24 hours now since I got this mobile. I was very busy. So though I was busy, I was anxious. I was so anxious. I just I want to switch on the mobile. So I'm trying to take off the protective cover. It fits so tightly, like, oh my god, so tight. But at least it's rubber, so definitely it will come out. So let's switch on this mobile and see what it has to offer. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Okay, the power button. Yeah.
Oh, Omale,